How to use Rocket Lawyer Business Formation online properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Rocket Lawyer simplifies forming ELCs, corporations, and other entities online, but beginners often make mistakes that can cost time, money, or legal compliance. The first mistake is not choosing the right entity type. ELCs, S Corp, and C Corp have different tax and liability implications. Choosing the wrong structure can create unexpected obligations or missed tax benefits. Another common error is skipping state-specific requirements. Rocket Lawyer helps with filing, but each state has unique rules for business formation, including fees, naming restrictions, and annual reporting. Many users also overlook accurate information. Errors in names, addresses, or ownership percentages can cause rejection or future legal disputes. Double-check every field before submitting. Neglecting to adopt internal documents is another pitfall. As operating agreements or corporate bylaws are essential even if not required by law. They prevent misunderstandings and protect owners' rights. Finally, some assume online formation is one and done. Compliance continues with taxes, annual filings, and permits. Missing deadlines can jeopardize your business good standing. To use Rocket Lawyer Business Formation online properly, select the right entity, follow state requirements, enter accurate information, adopt internal governance documents, and maintain ongoing compliance. Avoid these mistakes, and your business will be legally solid from day one.